welcome to Cooking with Lulu here on Lulu Live. I don't know why I just did that. It's a little awkward. Sometimes I get like mad stage fright, to be honest, when I go on camera. That's probably what it is. I get mad nervous. So anyway, we're gonna be working. We are. You're not doing anything but watching this, and hopefully being influenced to make something like this or this dish. So I'm going to be making a rack of lamb, or half rack, whatever rack. It's going to be lamb that I bought yesterday at Trader Joe's. So I got a really cute gadget and some new cutting boards. So this is the one I'm going to be using to begin preparing this dish. And we're going to be chopping garlic. So, excuse me. I got this little gadget. It's so cute, from Bed Bath & Beyond. Excuse me. Hey Paris had one of these from like a couple years or so ago, and I was like, she was using this to like chop her garlic. You can put ginger in here too, they say. It's so cute and easy to clean. And I thought I had an extra thing to get the garlic out, but I don't remember where I put it. But it does come with the thing if you need it. The silicone thing where you put the garlic in it. I don't know what you do with it, but it removes the skin. I don't know how, but it's supposed to. It's like it's a little chopper. Like it has this opening where you could do, it's like under $10 when I pull this opening. These are the little blades. You stick them in there. And it takes a while, but all you have to do is, kind of it's pretty much a lot of wrist work. And you go like this, and as you go like this, it chops the garlic. It's a chopper. So I'm gonna grab the garlic, but I think I'm gonna use all, if not most of what I have left in this little pre-peeled garlic bag from the supermarket. And I'm gonna put them in here and start chopping. I'm gonna open up the little section, put it in there. The cutting board, I don't know if we're actually using it, maybe. Like some of these garlics, I wasn't sure how many you put in at a time, so let me just put one at a time. One of these little garlics in here, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Oopsies. Little garlic chopper. Is it going to show? Okay. We got the little car. The chopper. Pew, pew, pew. That's what I told Daniel when I saw the gift he got me for Christmas, which is like a bigger chopper for like vegetables with different blades, which scared the hell out of me. But this is also a chopper. And as you chop, it like literally chops as you roll the wheels. I thought it was so cute. And hey, Paris said when she uses hers, she'll literally sit down, watch whatever show she wants to watch. I forget which one of those like talk shows, and chop up her veggies or chop her garlic, whatever it is she does. But I'm going to show you how to chop. I prepared this lamb dish. So it chopped up all this garlic. That was just one clove. I'm going to grab another clove. This one's littler. I'm going to do the same thing. Get the chopper. You can take TikToks with this. It's a chopper. But I preheated my oven for 450 because this recipe that I looked at said 450. Alright, so this one's good. I'm going to add more garlic. See the garlic. This is to put like a nice coating on the lamb. I'm like, what do you call it, improvising this recipe that I saw, and they say you use the top third. I'm guessing it's the top of the oven, the top rack. Okay, do it carefully. And it's gonna take, maybe I'll lower it one. It'll take about an hour and a half to cook. But they say preheat your oven for 450, and then from there. I'm gonna add more garlic. I don't even know how many cloves they say to use. This is really getting full. But I'm gonna use these 2 little pieces. And more garlic. It's a chopper. Pew, pew, pew. Here, let me close this. Put it away. You gotta feel your elbow work into it. It's all in the wrist. It's like playing the drums. It's all in the wrist in here. So this should be good. Isn't this little car so cute? It's so 2021 or Jetsons. Alright, so I'm gonna like leave this here to hang out for now. I'm gonna grab a paper plate because I don't want to waste another one of these cutting boards. My shorts match the board. And then, oh wait, before I get the, actually I'll take the lamb out for a sec. It's gonna get real messy. So this is the lamb. It's New Zealand spring lamb, fresh French lamb rack. Product of New Zealand, grass-fed, raised without antibiotics, no added hormones. It's from Trader Joe's. This one is 1.23 ounces. Delish. I thought the price on this was about 13 bucks, I think. No, it was more than that. $20.90? Well, whatever. It was worth it. It's still cheaper, I think, than the ones that we got at Costco. Yeah, that's a decent price. I don't know where I saw $13. Maybe it was something else. I don't know. My glasses were like, oh, my glasses were on. So, I'm going to put some oil on my pan. Get that ready to go. And then, this is the hard part. So, let's see. This one looks like you should be able to like rip it open. Oh, I think I might seasoning. No, it's alright. I think I'm just gonna cut this open and put some paper towels down on here. This is gonna be a wet mess, let me tell you. And another one so we can dry it. Got a knife. Knife it. It's a knife to knife it. It's a I'm just kidding. Mary had a little. Oh, there it is. Okay. So there's the lamb. And so we have the rack, which I'm going to dry a little. You can't really see this right now because here. That's the rack. I'm going to dry it up a little. Pat it dry. Put the towels on a paper plate. And now I'm going to start seasoning. And I might just use this thing. It's kind of twisted to be saying Mary had a little lamb, but while preparing lamb for dinner, I don't know. Here, let me fix the oven too. I'm like mega multitasking. Alright, I'm gonna try it one-handed. I don't feel like putting on the other one. The other mitt. Mary had a little lamb. Is that the top? Yeah, I guess it's the third. You can always move it up more, but for now it's good. So let me move this over. I'm going to start seasoning it with salt and pepper. We got Himalayan salt. You want to season all sides or both sides of the meat. That's a lot of salt. And because it's going to you want this to taste excelente. Clutter. Ignore it. Don't judge me. And then I'm going to take some of the garlic and we're going to massage this on. Try to massage it on. A lot of it's coming off. I might use garlic powder too, to be honest. Was I supposed to use olive oil for this? I don't remember. No, part of it's not even crushed enough. I don't remember. Let me get some garlic here though. We need extra garlic. Like, we really are low, because this is going to go real fast, let me tell you. We have extra garlic, because we like the garlic in this home. And then I'm going to flip it over. Oopsies. Well, half the stuff comes off. And then when I cook it, I'm going to cook it with the skin. The lesser skin, this side is going to be down, because I want the fat from the skin to, the fat of the skin to melt into the meat, so it's nice and tasty. I'm going to do the garlic here first, and then the pepper, and then I'm going to have, like, season it with salt after I clean my hands. But let me just drop this in there. I'm gonna wash this anyway. Who really cares? And yes, I thought it came with an extra piece to like get this out, but I don't know what happened to it. Just gonna put this here. It's supposed to like mince the garlic. I'm not really a good chopper with a knife, so that's why I wanted to get this, and I thought it looks so cute, and Hey Paris had it, and I love Hey Paris. So, put this on the side, clean that later. Okay, and then I'm going to wash my hand. So the salt it on the other side. Yeah, it should be enough. You want to like make sure you season both sides though, seriously, or else you're going to have bland food. And then I'm going to just finish this off on the back, whatever's left of it. And there's the rack. I'm going to plop it down on here. Actually, turned out pretty good. And then I'm just like, you can't see this, but I'm just putting whatever I can from the plate, pieces that dripped off onto the meat. It smells delicious, and I will show you what it looks like in just a sec. I just want to clean my hands. And I'm going to show you what it looks like before I put it into the oven. Hello. So this is what it looks like. So I'm putting it in with the skin side up because you want the juices and the fatness, like the juices and the fatness, the fats to seep into the meat. And it's going to be extra crispy, hopefully, and delish. So now I'm going to put it into the oven, which has been preheating for quite a long time on 450. And I have a new meat thermometer that I can use to check the temperature of it and see how it is, you know, gauge it on that. So now we're going to let them cook for about, I don't know, 30 minutes before I check in on it. And I will show you in a bit. So the timer just went off for the 30 minutes of cooking. We're going to check on the lamb and flip it and then gauge how much longer I want to do it. So this is the lamb after 30 minutes. And I'm going to get something to flip it over with because it's not very successful. Okay, so I flip it over carefully. And now it looks delicious so far, but it's not cooked. This one might not take an hour and a half though. So I'm going to time it for another 20 minutes maybe, and then we'll see how it is. So I just put the timer on for 20 minutes, and we're going to just close this bad boy up, the oven up, and see you in a bit. So the timer just went off, and we're gonna check on the lamb, and then I'm gonna take its temperature to make sure that it's healthy. Oh, it's definitely cooked. God knows what temperature it's at, but I'm sure it's done. I'm about to get my oven mitt dirty. Yeah, it's definitely done. So I got this thermometer, I forget where, but it's digital. I really don't remember. It could have been Bed Bath, but I don't remember. I don't know. And there's like an on and off button. It takes batteries. You set which kind of meat it is. Lamb. There it is. And then I would prefer, wait, I pushed the wrong button. Lamb. Medium rare, but who knows. And then that's the temperature it would be if it was properly medium rare, but we're about to see what it is. So I'm going to stick it in there. So it's not medium rare, but it definitely feels nice and juicy. And I'm going to let it sit while it's out. I might cover it. And wait for Daniel to come home so we can dig into this delectable meal. Delish.